Tentang 1931, Chevrolet Series A Independence Sedan Beserta, #Untuk Optimasi. 1931 Chevrolet Series A Independence Sedan, a true classic. Step back in time with the 1931 Chevrolet Series A Independence Sedan, a stunning piece of automotive history that represents the golden era of American motoring. This beautifully restored classic is a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to quality, elegance, and innovation during the early 20th century. Key features: engine, 194 cubic inch 3.2L inline-six engine. Transmission, 3-speed manual gearbox. Exterior, timeless two-tone paint with chrome accents. Interior, luxurious wool cloth upholstery with woodgrain dashboard. Wheels, classic wooden spoke wheels with whitewall tires. Braking system, mechanical 4-wheel drum brakes. Fuel system, upgraded carburetor for smoother performance. Additional features: rear luggage rack, sun visor, and original badging. The Series A Independence was Chevrolet's answer to the Great Depression, providing an affordable yet stylish and reliable car for American families. With its smooth stove-bolt 6 engine, this vehicle offered impressive performance for its time and became one of the most sought-after models of the early 30s. Perfect for classic car enthusiasts, collectors, or those looking for a nostalgic ride. This 1931 Chevrolet is a true showstopper that turns heads wherever it goes. Don't miss the chance to own this beautifully preserved masterpiece.